Meaning of in-depth.
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 In-depth. The term in-depth refers to a thorough and comprehensive analysis or investigation. It implies a detailed examination or study of a subject, often with the goal of gaining a deep understanding of its complexities and nuances. In-depth research involves going beyond surface-level information and delving into the finer details and intricacies of a topic. The result of an in-depth analysis is typically a more complete and nuanced understanding of the subject than could be gained through a superficial examination. Overall, in-depth denotes a commitment to thoroughness and comprehensive understanding.